Much furore has been made over the government's decision to withhold the second dose of coronavirus vaccines in a bid to inoculate as many people in the UK as possible. Speaking to Piers and Susanna this morning, Matt Hancock defended the government's decision. As he explained, protection comes 2 to 3 weeks after first jab. We know from the trials, 12 days after first jab you start to get 89% protection from disease, Hancock said. When Susanna asked what happens to your immunity if you have to wait until 3 months for the second dose, Hancock said the protection is maintained. Hancock said his assertion is supported by Chief Medical Officer and Van Tam, the Deputy Chief Medical Officer. We are confident the protection is maintained, he said. All COVID vaccines require a second booster shot, but according to Public Health England, there is evidence that a longer interval between the first and second doses promotes a stronger immune response with the AstraZeneca vaccine. The health body also reported there is no reason to believe the immune response from the Pfizer vaccine will differ from that of AstraZeneca's. With this in mind, the UK is pressing on with trying to give a first dose to as many people as possible. Since these vaccines have only been in use for a short period of time, unfortunately, our knowledge surrounding how long immunity will last following one or both doses of the vaccine is rather limited, explains Dr. Chris Morris, a practicing GP and medical director health hero to the express.co.uk. Everything depends on immunologic memory, and scientists have not yet been able to systematically measure it in relation to COVID-19. Public Health England announced protective immunity from the first dose of the AstraZeneca vaccine and that we've got up to 12 weeks to give the second dose to maximise the immune response. No statement has been made on how long immunity will last following both doses, however, neither for the AstraZeneca nor the Pfizer of Moderna vaccines.